How to replace driver's door window panel switches on Mercedes-Benz C-Class W204, 2008 to 2014, in 20 easy steps. There are two options. The first would be to replace each button individually or at least the worn one. The second option would be to replace the entire window control panel. Here is the first option. First, you have to use a trim removal tool. You can find trim removal tool set like this below in the video description. For the first option, you don't have to remove the window control panel from the driver's door. You can just remove each button using a trim removal tool. Press in the switch and then insert the trim removal tool behind it to remove it. Proceed the same for every switch from the window control panel. To install the new switches, you just have to insert it in place and that's it. For option 2, you will need a trim removal tool, long nose pliers and T30 and T10 bit Torx. 1. Lower the driver's door window completely and then remove the plastic from the left of the window frame. 2. Remove that black clip using a long nose pliers and a trim removal tool. Three. Remove the tweeter from the driver's door using a trim removal tool. Four. Disconnect the tweeter connector. Five. Unscrew the two bolts from the door panel using 8 T30 bit Torx. 6. Pull the door panel out of the clips using the trim removal tool. Once the clips are released, pull the panel up slightly to release the top part from the guide. Seven. Remove the cables and connectors attached to the door panel. Eight. Pull the clips from the door and reattach them to the door panel using the trim removal tool. Nine. Unscrew the 4 bolts from the window control panel using 8 T10-bit Torx. Disconnect the blue plug and black cable that are attached to the power window switches. 11. Push the power window switches outwards to remove it from the inner door panel. The window switches panel can be found under the serial number 820490555302. You can find the driver's door power window control panel for Mercedes-Benz C-Class W204 below in the video description. Install the new power window control panel by inserting it from the outside. 13. Tighten the 4 bolts with 8T 10-bit Torx. 14. Connect the blue plug and the black cable on the back of the power window control panel. 15. Connect the 2 plugs, blue and red, and reattach the cable from the interior handle. 16. Then attach the door panel to the car door and clip it in the clips. 17. Install the black clip and then attach it to the driver's door. 18. Clamp the plastic on the edge of the window frame and the clips. 19. Connect the plug to the tweeter and then attach it to the door. 20. Tighten the 2 bolts under the interior handle using 8T 30-bit Torx. Turn on the ignition and test each switch to verify that the windows work. If you have any suggestions about new tutorials, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to like and subscribe our YouTube channel, Tutorial Auto. Thank you for watching.